Main income sources from YouTube. His main MrBeast channel gets 60 million views a day, so that is $60,000 per day from ads. MrBeast Gaming is his other channel. He gets 5 million views per day, $5,000 per day. MrBeast Gaming, Spanish one, is also another really big one. 200,000 views per day, which means $200 per day, which is not that much actually. Beast Reacts, which is another channel that he has, 5 million views per day, which is $5,000 per day. Beast Reacts, the Spanish one, is another big one. 100,000 views per day, $200 per day, which is not actually a lot as well. And his other charity channel, Beast Philanthropy, he gets 1 million views per day, which is $1,000 per day. His net income per year is calculated to be around $500 to $700 million per year, and that is including his $100 million from Feastables chocolates that he sells in shops. 51 million followers on Instagram. TikTok as well, 93 million followers. He has a huge team of 150 salaried people, so he has various income streams. Here is a good tip from me: diversify your income. Don't just rely on only your YouTube ad revenue. Rely on multiple sources of income.
Tell them to bring me my money.
He also does promotions for games, so he gets those sponsorships from there. He has a lot of views from different sources, so the only way to get money from YouTube is not just ads. You can get it from other sources as well. So when you add all of that together, that generates a diversified income for him. If his Spanish channel gets shut down from some copyright strike or some other messed up thing, then he still has like so many other channels on there. There are so many on here that I haven't even mentioned all of them. There are more than 10 YouTube channels that he has in various different languages: French, Spanish, Portuguese. His gaming channels, his reaction channels, everything is in different languages. So he is able to reach not only the English speaking world, but also the other world as well. He has a huge team of 150 salaried people, and there are other temporary workers that get added onto projects as well. So there is another tip: do not work by yourself, work with a team. And when you get bigger, then it means that you don't have to do everything yourself. He has people to help him now. This video is meant to inspire you, not to demotivate you. Copy MrBeast exactly. Don't compare yourself with MrBeast now. Compare yourself with when he started if you are new on this YouTube platform. If you compare yourself with someone that is too high and you feel discouraged, this video should inspire you and motivate you to do more, and to also diversify your income, so you have different sources of income. So if one income source goes down, the other ones are still working for you and generating income for you. Okay, that's it for this video. If you want to learn how to actually make money on YouTube, check out this other video that I have on my channel right here.